First, take out 5 color lines and put them in slots 1 and 10, 2 and 9, 3 and 8, 4 and 7, 5 and 6 respectively. Step 1. Take line 1 on line 2, line 3, line 4 and line 5 and tie to right hand double knot. At this time, line 1 will be left in slot 5. Step 2. Take line 10 on line 9, line 8, line 7, line 6 and line 5 and tie the left hand double knot. At this time, line 10 will be left in slot 5. Repeat step 1 to step 2 until the length is appropriate. This simple and beautiful friendship bracelet is ready.